GORUCK is a huge name in the carry community, but there's plenty of videos on their flagship GR backpacks, so I wanted to talk about a different, more affordable entry into their lineup. I use their Aviator Kit Bag, and so today I'll talk about what I liked, what I'd change, and if this lived up to the GORUCK name. This kit bag is a 32-liter duffel, and here's the actual word-for-word description, which is kind of funny because it's so specific. I guess because they offer it also without a shoe compartment or a shoulder strap. And I'll just say it, this is GORUCK's best entry-level bag for someone looking for affordability. And here's why. To me, GORUCK's best known for two things. One is durable materials and build quality, and two, it's the Special Forces military-inspired look. And this kit bag fits both of those criteria at half the price of their most popular bag, the GR1 backpack. At 32 liters, it's a versatile size for everyday use, and I mostly used it as a gym bag. So here's some stats, and my favorite part of this bag was the shape, by far. It feels like modern duffels are getting longer and not as tall, mostly because so many of them are shaped to convert into a backpack carry. The Peak Design duffel is a good example of this. But this kit bag is a throwback to the duffels I used as a kid. It's a lot taller and not as long, which I loved because it easily fit a basketball, a pair of shoes, water bottle, and clothes. And I'll show that later in the video. I swear, it's been weirdly difficult finding a duffel that fits a basketball well. I think this bag shape will work for a lot of people, and the earth orange colorway keeps the military-inspired theme. Talking materials, this is what makes the kit bag a great value. It uses 420D Robic Ripstop nylon. It's thick and resistant to water and tears, but more importantly, it's the exact same material used on some of their GR1 and Bullet backpacks. And this is key because 21-liter GR1 is GORUCK's flagship backpack, and it costs $385, while the 16-liter Bullet is their cheapest backpack, but still costs $235. So without compromising on any material quality, the kit bag at $165 is an entry into GORUCK's lineup without breaking the bank. Of course, this duffel and a backpack have way different use cases, but it at least gives an option for people like me who like GORUCK but don't quite have the budget for their GR line. On the front, there's an area for a swappable patch and the logo. And a zip pocket that's pretty large. It's basically this whole panel. And inside the pocket, there's another little mesh pocket. On the bottom of the bag, there is the zippered shoe compartment. And GORUCK does offer kit bags without this, but I wanted it for the gym to put dirty clothes or shoes in it without mixing with my other stuff in the bag, so I liked it. And a lot of gym bags have the shoe compartment zipping on the side, but I liked GORUCK's style way better because it balanced the bag nicely when I carried it, having the shoes on the bottom instead of being on the side. And also this compartment just works for larger shoes. Both sides are the same, and they have a pocket and the shoulder strap anchor with these oversized hooks and a nice oversized zipper. Very typical of GORUCK. The shoulder strap length is also nice, and so it actually stayed on my shoulder, and it's padded. The top has two hand straps that can Velcro together, pretty standard. And a main zipper that's covered by this large flap to protect from water. I really like this as an alternative to sealed zippers. Just stylistically, it gives something different. The bag opens really wide, which is what made this a great gym bag or sports bag. It's well built, but doesn't have a lot of structure, which allows it to open wide and also be easy to pack. It actually fits two basketballs side by side with plenty of room to spare, and not having structure also kept the bag lightweight and collapsible. There's some orange on the inside and a zip pocket here that fits your phone. And there's two more small zip pockets on each side. And here's one thing I didn't love. I wish the pockets here were taller so they could fit a bottle securely, especially because this was such a great gym bag. So in total, the bag has 4 zip pockets, 2 non-zip pockets on the sides, and the shoe compartment at the bottom, which is a pretty good amount of organization considering the bag doesn't look like it has much. Okay, so final thoughts on who is this bag for? The Aviator Kit Bag is an affordable bag for GORUCK anyways, that has the exact same materials and look as their flagship products. I'm glad they offer a lower barrier to entry to the best parts of their brand: the durable materials, the military look, and the lifetime warranty. The bag's taller shape made it the best gym and sports bag I've used in years, especially with the shoe compartment at the bottom, where I could separate my dirty shoes from the stuff inside. Anyways, comment below if you want a response, let's talk, and subscribe for new videos every other Sunday. Thanks.